I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the meter ready and powered. Insert 2 AAA batteries and look for the battery icon to confirm power. Once powered, wash and dry your hands to avoid contamination and inconsistent readings. Then, load a test strip firmly until it clicks into place and the meter displays the strip prompt. This immediate action lets you move straight into testing. Make sure the strip orientation matches the meter's slot so the sample will be drawn correctly. You now perform the actual blood sample collection and testing. First, prepare the lancing device with a fresh lancet and set a comfortable depth. Use the side of your fingertip to get a capillary drop. Once the blood appears, touch it gently to the strip's target window so the meter can draw the sample. Avoid squeezing excessively to prevent diluted readings. After the meter detects enough blood, wait for the short countdown, then read and note the glucose value shown, which reflects your current level. You finish by disposing and recording, then handle issues if they arise. Remove and discard the used strip and lancet in an approved sharps container to prevent injury. Next, log the result immediately or sync the meter via Bluetooth so your history is saved. Consistent records help trends emerge. If the meter shows an error, make sure the strip is fully seated, batteries are charged, and the sample size was sufficient. If problems persist, try a fresh strip and retest to verify the reading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.